location number 1 is secured. Alright, what's up guys? So, real quick recap. So we got our first location. The gumball machine is in the bed of my truck, and we're going right now to get a Sam's Club membership because I don't have a Sam's Club membership. So, we're going to Sam's Club. We're gonna get the membership and then buy our first bulk of candy to put in the machine, and then we'll place it over there, and yeah. We're official, boys. We're in. I don't know where anything is. I don't think the candy's gonna be over here.
Me either. Oh, actually, I think it's all the way at the end back there. Yeah, sorry. Those legs.
Okay, really quick. So, I know I forgot to mention the totals right here, but the 54-ounce bag of M&Ms was $9.98. The 48-ounce of Reese's Pieces were $9.78. And the 54-ounce of Skittles were $6.98 for a total of $28.95 for everything. Alright, so we just left Sam's Club. Just got to the location that we're placing the vending machine. That's the most extra way to bring it in ever. First location? What?
Machine size gumballs right here.
Okay, this location was just a smaller location. It's a home lending, mortgage lending office, but nonetheless, it is our first location. So that was just kind of our first location recap. We're super excited for where things are heading. We got a couple more locations in the works. We just have to finalize a couple more things. So expect those videos soon. Also, collection videos, those will be, obviously after 30 days, a month or so go by, be filming collection videos. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, share with your friends, it helps out a lot, and also drop down a comment. I'm curious if you guys have any locations or if you guys have any questions about starting. I mean, we're starting as well, so maybe I could help. I'd love to hear how you guys are at, where you guys are at in your vending business, or if you guys have any tips or anything. I'm all ears. Thank you guys if you made it to the end of the video. It really means a lot. Tons of stuff going on. Super excited about the channel, where it's heading. We will see you guys in